Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce your JUOVI portable power bank with 2000 mAh, 35 watt portable charger system. That's really cool. We have here a big bunch of possibilities because of the big area of 20,000 mAh. This brings us a lot of power to recharge our stuff. This is a battery pack with fast charging. PD 3.0, QC 4.0. It's an external phone battery pack with LED display for our iPhones or Samsung Galaxy tablets, Switch, etc. With the 20,000 mAh large capacity, this 35 watt fast charging power bank has a large capacity, which can power our devices multiple times to meet our travel needs. We only need to carry a power bank to solve the charging needs of our family and our kids, which is very suitable for daily outings and travels. And 35 watt fast charging. This means an external battery power pack delivers rapid charging for our devices, capable of charging our iPhone 15 and 16 from 20 up to 70% in just an half hour or something. This is nearly 2 times faster than other power banks on the market. And we have two-way fast charging for the power bank, because this external battery power bank has a two-way fast charging function, with 2 charging methods of the 35 watt PD Type-C ports input and output. This reduces the time spent waiting to charge the portable battery pack as well. And we can charge 4 devices at once. Because the portable phone charger has 2 Type-C ports and 2 USB-A ports, we can charge 4 devices at the same time. We share with our friends and family at the same time the energy. And we have a long-lasting battery life. After 300 charges and discharge cycles, the battery capacity of the external mobile phone battery pack remains at 90%, surpassing most other portable power banks on the market. The portable charger battery pack have a longer battery life, this providing us with a quality assurance. And we have safe charging protection on it. The portable charger battery pack protects our device from possible overvoltage, overload, overheating, overcuring, and short circuit. The phone will automatically turn off after it is fully charged to prevent overheating and overcharging, and protects the health of our phone's battery as well. That means power for days. For widely compatibility, for iPad, for Samsung devices, for the iPhones, for Apple Watches, for the AirPods, for a Switch, for example. A lot of usage scenarios are possible. On the go, vacation, business trips, at home, of course, or maybe daily activities are in a mobile environment too, as you like it. This is really cool. This is a power bank which can handle a long-lasting time for us and makes it possible to be mobile with our devices. This is the JUOVI portable power bank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 再见。